Aloha! Few days left and I'm leaving Hawaii. Big island. I'm going to another island and then I'm leaving the States. So, I want to talk about abundance, money, wealth. Okay? You know, money is just energy. I hope you know that. And when people out there say, oh, money is so bad and money is corrupting people and the dark side is using money to control humanity. Uh, yeah, you know who's using the money? It's you. And money is just paper. It's just a material thing like food or oils or plants or furnitures or clothes. You can buy, like, this thing is a scarf. Okay, I'm just showing to you. So I got a compliment. They said, oh wow, what's that fancy dress? I said, it's just a scarf which I paid a few dollars for, and I just made it myself, and it looks luxury because I make it luxury. You can buy a t-shirt from Dolce and Gabbana, or I don't know what brand that is, or maybe Hugo Boss, and then it's like $700, and then you buy a normal random shirt which you buy in a store for $5. It's the name, it's the brand, it's about you. It's you, how you use your money. It's about you. If you say, oh, life is so expensive, yeah, I mean, sorry, if you keep buying branded stuff, and then you could buy some no brands, and then you could use the money for traveling or getting massages done for yourself. Invest in yourself. Now, all I want to say is money is energy. Okay, what's connected to energy? We are energy. Like everything around me is energy. And in the end of the day, it's always about love. So I want to do a healing with you today and help you to step into a positive mindset. At the same time, I want to explain that if you're leaking money and if you're owing money, or if you're having a debt of money, it just shows that you either have guilt, you have certain beliefs about money. Maybe only rich people are wealthy. Maybe you're rich when you cheat. You're rich when you being I don't know, whatever, right? So you can test which belief you have. You can also, the very first thing is, please write down what you think about money. Write everything down, what is negative about money, what you think negative of money. Write it all down on piece of paper. That's so important, because when you write it down, that energy, that belief goes out of your system on a piece of paper, in a pen, and then ask yourself, is it true? Is it true what you believe? Is money bad? No, it's not. It's the person who's bad, who's misusing the money. There are also good people out there. Then you go out on new moon. We had yesterday new moon. You can do it on full moon. Go out, release that energy, be mindful, yeah? And burn that paper. And then on a beautiful piece of paper with beautiful colors, you write, it's amazing to have money. I will give you some examples, okay? I trust myself to manage money honestly and sensible and wisely. Money is a wonderful tool that I use to create possibilities for myself and others. You know, you can help other people. I'm calm and confident when I have money, that I'm able to deal with money. Some people have money and then they're overwhelmed. They don't know how to deal with money. I deserve to have all the money I need and much more than that. I'm proud of my results, that I receive money. And you know, some people have the issue when I want to give you a gift and you say, no, I can't take it. No, take it back. Yeah, God damn it. You say thank you. If someone makes a compliment, say thank you. I love that compliment. Thank you. It makes me feel good. Say yes to life. Say yes to energy. Say yes to receiving. Maybe you have a blockage around receiving, because you feel, hey, when someone helps you or gives you a compliment, maybe they want something from you. But that's again the heart. You need to heal your heart. It's about love. There is enough love for everyone. And in the end of the day, when you leaking love, loving yourself, that's when there's less money, because money is energy and energy is love. In the end of the day, it's always about love and self-love, self-esteem. And You can write, my worth as a person and my financial worth are two separate measures. Just if you're really rich doesn't mean you have self-worth, right? Many rich people don't have self-worth and or nor self-love, but they have the right mindset to make money. And some people are poor, but they're amazing, but you can have it all. You can say, hey, I have money, I'm wealthy, I'm rich. I'm rich because I have a roof on my head. I'm rich because I have amazing friends. I'm rich because I use the money for myself to go for massages. I'm rich because I'm buying the things I like for myself and I'm being creative. I'm using the money in the right ways for myself, and I'm rich because I buy the food in the store which is healthy for me. And that's now I'm coming to the points which are really important, okay? First of all, it's important that your body, okay? When you have a spine, a slip disc or a disalignment in the spine, you need to make sure go for massages, go to craniosacral therapy. It's amazing to do sound bowl therapy, the vibration. The body is energy. You need to make sure your body is in alignment, especially your spine, so the energy can flow through your system, right? When your body is blocked, if my body is blocked because I did a lot of stuff, I was stressed, I was carrying lots of luggages when I travel or whatsoever, I will have less clients, yeah, and I make sure my body is healthy because that's my house. My house is my body. I'm inside my body. That's most important. So make sure your body is fit and fine and healthy, okay? That means you need really good food. I'm trying this product right now, which I will do a video about it soon. I call it Starseed Food. It has very high frequent, really high vibrational energy, and all the people I meet, I can see auras, I see they're sparkling. And you need to detox yourself. If you have your parasites in your gut and bacteria, those absorb energies. Those are parasites. Parasites take energy from you. Then you won't have the life force and energy you need to embrace yourself to receive all the abundance, right? Because there's a disbalance in yourself. And then also, okay, here, when you go shopping, right? And you go to a mall and you buy a good food, which is expensive, that money you're spending on yourself. Don't be grumpy. Say thank you. Say, wow, I'm spending this money on my food for myself because I'm worth it. And I know I'm open for so many doors and possibilities that money can come back to me. Do you know how many times, people believe money comes from people? No. Abundance comes from the universe, from Mother Gaia. Like the other day, I buy myself crystals, right? And all of a sudden when I go shopping, I always get those amazing deals. And then I know it's meant for me. I travel because all of a sudden the prices drop and then I just know where to go. You have to go with the flow. You have to, yes, you need to go in alignment and go with the flow of energy and life. You can go with the wave, or you can just, get rolled over by the wave and then you drown and you suffocate and then you get out and say, no, I'm never going to swim again in my life. Hold your breath when the wave comes, dive through it, get out and swim in the ocean. It's awesome. That's what I do here in Hawaii. So the other day I went to the ocean and I washed all my crystals, right, in the ocean because I'm traveling soon, so I always connect them. And I took one crystal and I said, thank you, Mother Gaia. And I threw it back in the ocean. And yes, I paid money for that crystal because I was using it for myself and it was really helping me and supporting me. And then in the end of the day, because the crystals, they come from Mother Gaia, I gave it back to her and I said, thank you that I had the chance and possibilities to use that beautiful crystal for my benefits. And I gave it back to her. And I said, Pele, thank you. And that's how it works. Because universe, Mother Gaia, Father Heaven, they're supporting us. It's not people. It's not your boss. It's the universe. It's your life, your soul. So when you give money, you say, thank you. Thank you that I'm worth it to buy amazing food. And it will come back in 1,000,000 ways. You can also say, I'm open for all the miracles. There's this amazing woman who wrote a book in 1800. She's like, every time I read this book, I was 20 when I read it. And that lady, I will never forget. I was in Gran Canaria, I was doing animation. And I said, how does she live? Because she was telling me that she's traveling, she has children. And then she said, no, she just has money. And I didn't understand what she meant, because my family was kind of poor. My foster family were kind of rich. But my foster family would work day and night. They didn't have friends. They were not happy. And they were frustrated. And all they knew is working. And my parents, they would travel all the time and didn't know how to deal with money, but they had money, but they couldn't deal with it. So I grew up in those crazy worlds, and this woman said, she always has money. I said, I don't understand. And she said, oh, she's reading the book, Scoville Shin, please, I don't know, Scoville Shin, and read those books. It's amazing. And I understood what it is. It's about energy. It's about being open for miracles. I found money on the ground. I got money as a gift all of a sudden. I got a job offer all of a sudden. I will never forget. But don't be a lazy ass to get your bum up, because when I went to Berlin, I wanted to stay. So what I did is, for 1 month, I got a job for 5 euros an hour, which is like nothing in Germany. And I was staying with a friend, and then I was looking for a place for 140 euros a month. And I didn't have furniture, so I slept on the ground, but I had a home. And I had a kitchen where I could cook some food. And then after 1 month, I said, okay, fine. I did work. I wasn't ashamed of doing any work, because I'm looking after myself. And then after some time, I said, I will look for another job where I get more money. And guess what? I got a job. I had to work less. I got 12 hours, 12 euros an hour, and I was sorted, and I went and moved to another place. Okay, so this is how life works. Be practical. It's all about being practical and also working with energies. But don't just meditate and say, oh, I'm open for abundance, and then you wait and it's like, what the fuck is going on? It's not coming. Life is miserable. Life is crap and money is bad. No, get your ass up, do something. But at the same time, do your energy work and clear your aura, cleanse your aura. It's important. When you meet many people, you get cords. Release those cords, smudge your aura. Your aura needs to be cleansed with your own energy, so that you vibrate high energy and abundance, and then it can come to you. Those amazing people, possibilities, and job offers can come to you. And the world is a big place. There are millions of people. Do you know how much food they're wasting? Tomatoes and oranges. They're doing some parties, and tons of tomatoes and oranges are going to waste it. And then they say, oh, in Africa, they don't have food. There is no starving. There's no this. It's just about the balance, okay? You need to know what's going on. Dig deep. Go. And what you can do is, I use yellow crystals, okay? Solar plexus. Put them next to your bed. Citrine, yellow quartz, awesome for abundance, okay? Also, red color, life force. You can make a nice, when you have an office, make it colorful, put flowers, feng shui. I keep flowers here because plants grow. Money is growing, prosperity is growing. But love what you do. And someone said, oh, I should not say job, I should say joy. So yeah, enjoy your job, enjoy what you do, right? That's important. So when you have a belief, like let's say you can do a muscle test. You can do this, like this is yes and no goes off. So you can say yes is strong because you have energy, and if you're sick, you have no energy. So no is like the energy goes down. So let's say I'm scared of losing my money, okay? And then maybe your arm goes down, or it goes and there's no energy. That means you have a belief around money is, like when you have money, you lose it, okay? So what you do is, think of it. It's like, oh, when I have money, you tap yourself here, the eyebrows, here, this is the tummy meridian, gallbladder meridian, kidney meridian, here under your armpits, liver here, and then you keep tapping. And then you keep tapping here, and here. This point activates 100 other points. And you keep tapping. Here, finger inside, middle finger inside, ring finger towards inside, thumb. And you keep tapping and you say, and then when you start yawning and you don't feel this energy anymore, that when you have money, you lose it, you say, you feel that, when I have money, I'm scared of losing that energy. And then you might yawn like I do, because I have that fear sometimes. Yeah, I'm human, and at the same time I'm a starseed, right? We're on a planet Earth, so we work with our body. That's so important. So when you yawn and that energy shifts, then you say, you tap here into that finger, you make a lying 8 in the air, and you watch, right? So you tap, do this, because that's, you connect the left and the right hemisphere of the brain. When you have stress and a belief, it is a disbalance, and that lying 8, it balances. Okay, so you tap, you balance it, and then what you do is you start singing a song like and then you count from 10 backwards, and always from the middle to up. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, and you will see your whole system starts calming down. Okay, so this is something which is so important. Also the first chakra, if you have issues with money, it's the first chakra, which is red. So what you can do is visualize that from Mother Earth comes a red, beautiful, clear light, which is life force, life energy, vitality, because our blood is red, through our legs into our first chakra, second chakra, to all the chakras. It goes up, and it goes through your cells, between your cells, your DNA, your atoms, and between your atoms, in this life, other lives, past lives, family, ancestral lineage, and other dimensions. Because sometimes we have money issues because of our family had got kicked out of a country, lost everything. Maybe in a past life they killed you. So there are many different things, and you can heal that and flush that. Okay, so yeah, I really hope it did help you. If you need any help, reach out to me. I do clearing and healing. Oh, there's something with the throat. Oh, okay, thank you. Now I'm remembering. Blue color is being self-expressing. It's the throat chakra, speaking your truth. And sometimes when you have issues with money, also it's about being in your power, being scared of powerful when you have money and when you're wealthy. And that's something which is very common for starseeds and empaths. See how it clears. Isn't it amazing? Oh my God. So important. Money is power, because it's love, and we are scared of love, to receive and give love. And you are supposed to be loved all the way, because love is the most powerful tool, and we are from love. We are powerful. Allow yourself to be powerful, okay? Because you're love. So allow yourself to be rich, because it comes from love, and you know you will do something good with it. Be rich, be amazing, be successful. You will help humanity. I will help you to help yourself, and you will help others. And that's how it works. And then they can help. And that's how it is. That's what we starseeds and empaths do. So yeah, thank you for liking my videos. Thank you for sharing them. Thank you for booking sessions with me. And aloha, I love you guys. Bye. And see what I got the other day from my amazing friend Alison. She does it herself. And that is something also I want to tell. I was 2 weeks ago, I was thinking, oh, I would love that jewelry, because when I was small, my dad had those. Like, I don't know where he got from. He was traveling all over the world. And then another friend said, oh, she's charging $100. And I was like, and then I went to Alison, and she does this amazing health product, which I will talk about soon. And then she said, oh, she's doing those. And then I was thinking, oh, it's okay, maybe when I travel, maybe I find those. And she gave me exactly the one I love, and exactly that blue, beautiful color. And that's abundance. It's when I have, I give. When she has, she gives. And, you know, I helped her to open up a YouTube channel, and she said, oh my gosh, for years she wanted to do that. And for me, it was nothing. And when she helped me with all her love and being a goddess and being a sister, it was the world for me, and it was for her nothing. And that's what it is. That's being rich. That's being wealthy. It's like helping each other. And for you, it's nothing, but for the other person, it's the world. And that's what it is. It's like doing something really little, which makes a big shift in the whole universe. Aloha, guys.